Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Nitropack account and whether removing the footer is permitted under your plan. This avoids breaking terms. Once done, make a full backup of your WordPress theme and database so you can revert changes. Next, enable debugging and open SFTP or your host file manager to access theme and plugin files. Make sure to note the active theme folder and plugin paths, because these are where the footer rendering code typically lives. Proceed to locate the template output. You now search for the footer markup, check theme footer, PHP and plugin template files for Nitropack HTML or comments. Once located, prefer overriding via a child theme or a small custom plugin so core updates do not wipe changes. Then implement a safe removal. Either comment out the specific HTML, add a remove action, or filter in functions. PHP or deque the script that injects the footer. Make sure to clear caches and test on a staging copy, so you can confirm the finish by purging Nitropack cache, your CDN, and browser cache to ensure changes propagate. Caching often hides results. Then review pages across breakpoints to confirm no layout regressions. Adjust CSS if spacing shifts. If something breaks, immediately restore your backup and reapply edits more conservatively, testing one change at a time. As a troubleshooting tip, open developer tools to check for leftover JS or CSS referencing the removed footer. Disable those assets selectively so you avoid visual or console errors while keeping the site stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.